Hello, I'm Laura Spencer. Welcome, and you're watching Nature's Fair Salmon Cooking Series. Nothing compares to the casual and vibrant atmosphere that is around a barbecue. I love hearing the sizzling sound when food is being cooked and the amazing aromas that uplift everybody's soul. When it comes to the barbecue, we can all agree burger is the king. And whether you're cooking a plant-based burger or an ethically raised beef, there is no way to say that this is a summer favorite. I have infused this recipe with typical condiments of the southern region, which guarantee to make this an American classic with a twist. Don't be intimidated about this recipe. Even though it has a few steps, it's fairly easy to make. So now, let us cook. This is a twist for me. This is the mango salsa, and I love the sweetness that it can bring into the spiciness of the burger. Every little piece must be used. You want to take your time with the onion. This one needs to be very, very fine. And lastly, to really give that Southwest taste, cilantro. A lot of people like to use the stems. I usually, when I'm doing salsas, I just like to use the leaves, but I use the stems whenever I'm doing pestos or soups or anything like that. And then I'll just curl my fingers and chop away. And we need some salt now. The last ingredient for this mango salsa, your lime. This will marry all of those amazing flavors together. Let's give it a quick mix. Always, as I said before, always taste anything you're making just to make sure the flavors are right. Oh, so good. Now, let's cook these burgers. We have minimal ingredients, but with a bunch of flavor. Start with the garlic. And as we have done in the past, we're going to dice it very finely, and then we're going to crush it with the tip of our knife. So there it goes, the garlic. So we have cumin, paprika, and oregano. All goes in. Look at those beautiful colors. And once that we have this right here, we're just going to incorporate our beef. This is local, ethically grown beef. Now we can incorporate the salt, and let's just get into it. I'm gonna really mix all of it, all of the spices. And now we do our patties. I'm gonna grab a handful of it. Gonna make a little bowl and then gently press and just start giving it the form. Now let's take them to the grill. And there is the sizzling. I always find that whenever I add salt to the burgers while they're cooking, it just adds that extra juiciness to it. You know when your burger is ready when the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees. Now we can transfer to a plate. Oh yeah, that looks so good. And now we're ready to go inside. Now into the avocado mousse. Now I have to warn you, this is going to become a favorite in your kitchen. I absolutely love this recipe, and we're using fairly simple ingredients. We're gonna need the 2 avocados, And what I like about this recipe is how easy it can be. I'm gonna be adding the garlic as well. It goes in there. The cilantro, you don't have to even worry about just picking out the leaves. We're gonna be using the entire thing. So just put it in there, shove it all in. We're going to be using the juice of a lime. Sometimes when this happens, I just use a quick fork, and that will help to release those juices. And now, of course, the salt. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And to make it a really mousse consistency, we're going to be adding 3 ice cubes. Now close and let the blender do all the work. And this is where you end up with, let me show you, just pure fluffiness of deliciousness. So now we have all of the components to create the Southwest burger. Instead of buns, we're going to be using lettuce leaf. So we can place this on a plate. And also we're going to be using this beautiful heirloom tomato. We're going to put 2 slices of tomato. We're going to be placing our burger. We're going to be placing our cucumbers. And also this is where this takes from, okay, this is a burger, to, oh wait, I did not see that coming burger. We're going to be using our mango salsa that we created and our avocado mousse. I want people to be able to see the airiness of this sauce. So I'm just gonna place it like that, like a generous dollop. And be careful because they're gonna be asking you how you make this. And lastly, a couple of pickles, because why not? And there you have it. If you prefer, you can also use some garlic aioli. This is one of my favorite ones. This will complement this very well. And this is the pickles that I use, that I absolutely love. So there you have it, our Southwest burgers. And now my favorite part, testing this burger. I'm going to put a little bit of aioli into the base of this lettuce leaf. I just want every little bite to have a flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and close these. Oh my Lord, look at this. Now let's taste this burger. It is so good. That avocado mousse is amazing, and that salsa, the mango salsa, is bringing the sweetness and it's in nice contrast with the spiciness of the burger. There's a little bit of spice, but nothing too overwhelming. This is delicious. I hope you enjoy it.